Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, how are you today? Fine. Okay. Now we will continue our learning for today. Okay, maybe one of you can help me to lead pray.
Ready? Before we study English, let's pray together. Pray begins. Please say greeting. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Ya, waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, now I will call your name ya. Adila Nuha, Aji Pangestu, Alicia, okay. Amanda, Andira, Aradea, Bene, Kamelia, Sik, okay. Dewi Asih, Dava, Farida, Fauzi, okay. Febri, Haikel, Halifah, Ilham, Sik, okay. Ilmiawan, Ismail, okay. Jennifer, Meilani, Ardiansyah, Abdul Iman, Raihan, Alif, okay. And then continue to Hasbi, Nabil, Naila, okay. Ragil, Rangga, Sakila, Sylvia, Safira, Tegar, Zahwa, Sik, okay. And then the last is Zaki. Okay. Okay. Now I want you to look at the picture in WhatsApp group class. So open it. Okay. Can you mention it? What the picture is it? What kind of the picture is it? Okay, look at your WhatsApp group class. So can you guess it? What is it? What the picture is it? You can raise your hands and then say it. What the picture about? Okay, can you guess it? Okay, Febri.
The picture is robot.
The picture is robot. Okay. The picture is robot, ya. Okay. How did the robot work? How did the robot work? Okay. How did the robot work? If human can work because human have energy from food, yeah. Okay. What about the robot? robot like gadget ya. So how did the robot work? Come on. By giving. By giving. By giving. Okay, for example, when you want to browse. So what is your order? It depends on your need ya. Okay. So it's mean how did the robot work? By giving some by giving to some. Come on, by giving some. When you want to use for the example calculator, so or maybe you want to play with computer by using. Okay, the first is power. After that, after you turn on, could be the tumble of the robot. After that, you will give some instructions. That's right. Some instructions. Okay, next we go to the second picture that I have dropped in WhatsApp group class. Okay, now the picture. Okay, look at the picture. Look at the picture in your handphone in WhatsApp group class. What is the picture about? What is the picture about? Okay, good. The picture is
human and robot.
Okay, the picture is human and robot. And then can you mention it other beside the picture of human and robot in that pictures? Okay, you can see in WhatsApp group class. Who can answer? You can raise your hand. Beside the picture of robot and human, what is in the picture? Maybe you can pay attention to the word. To the word. What is the word there? Okay, Febri?
The word cons and pros.
Okay, pros and cons. Okay. Do you know what is pros? The similar meaning of pros. Okay, okay.
The meaning of pros is agree.
Agree. Okay. What about cons? What is cons? Come on. Disagreement. Okay, good. Disagreement. Okay, my next questions. Do you think we are as a human can be replaced by AI? Okay, give your opinion. Do you think we are as a human could be replaced by AI? Ismail, maybe? Yeah, okay. What is your answer?
My name is Ismail, and we cannot replace by AI because there's something that human works doesn't match with AI.
Okay, the others maybe beside Ismail could give your opinion. Do you think human can be replaced by AI? Do you think human could be replaced by robot? Come on. Maybe some work could be replaced by AI, but others couldn't be replaced by AI or robots. Okay. Okay. Now I want you to see the video. Yeah. Okay, I have dropped the video in your WhatsApp group class. Yeah.
Yang bisa nampak.
Okay, can you open it?
When you hear the term artificial intelligence, what comes to mind?
Okay, you can see the video with your friends. It's mean with your chairmate.
Our brains have the ability to see
Okay, I'll give you this one. Yeah, the paper.
what comes to mind.
Okay, please discuss with your partner, your chairmate. Yeah, you're welcome. Okay, you can discuss with your partner and then pay attention also to the picture that I have given to you. Yeah. Yeah, you're welcome. Yeah, you're welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
Don't mention it. Okay, listen to the video and then pay attention to the picture ya. Which one? The process of thinking by human and robot or AI ya. After that you can explain in front of the class ya. And then bring the picture with you. Okay. Who want to participate? I mean, to explain based on the listening that you have heard. Yeah, by using the help or the aid of picture. Come on. You can discuss with your chairmate, and then one of you could be as the representative. Come on. Okay. Okay, who want to try? Yeah, Febri, please.
So,
You will explain about?
this picture.
Okay, please pay attention ya others ya.
So this for picture is a human activity because human brains can see and process what they see, and they can understand the environment and move within it. And the next one, we can see and understand the pattern, and the last, we can understand the spoken language.
Okay, excellent, great job, Febri. Thank you. Okay, after this picture, ya, it's human process of thinking, ya. Okay, we go to this one. Who can explain it? Come on. How about this one? Who want to try? Okay, there are some words there. Yeah, it will help you to develop your sentence. Come on. The first talk about collect data. Come on, who want to try? You can discuss with your chairmate. Want to try? Bene? Or others? Come on. The picture will help you to develop your own sentences because there are some words there. Collect data and then identify patterns, make predictions, and the last is recommend actions. Yeah. Come on. For example, AI works is collecting the data. And then blah blah blah, stop blah blah blah, and blah blah blah. Come on. You can discuss with your chairmate. After that, one of you could be as the representative. and then tell about your opinion. Or maybe you can make it into simple sentence. AI works blah blah blah, comma blah blah blah, comma blah blah blah, and blah blah blah. For the examples, ya. Okay, come on, who want to try? Okay, maybe the students at the back. Come on, come here. Yeah, please come here. Yeah, I will help you to develop the sentence, ya. Okay. Come on, AI. Yeah. Okay.
AI can collect data from internet.
Yeah.
And AI interpretations to the next. He make prediction for you to recommend action for you how you do something.
Okay, good job. Okay, give applause. Okay. Now we will continue to this one. Okay, we'll go to this one. We continue to this one, ya. Okay. Discussion text, ya. Okay, do you know what the picture is it? Okay, demonstrations, ya. As a student, your job is to study. Don't ever go to demonstrations, ya. Okay, this one. Capaian pembelajaran, ya. Today we will have listening and speaking, ya. So, tujuan pembelajaran, setelah mengikuti pembelajaran, murid mampu memahami pertanyaan terbuka atau topik diskusi yang relevan, terutama topik and isu utama yang sedang dibahas dalam audio. So, what is our topic today? Based on the audio that you have heard. Topic is mean the word is spoken many times. What is it? Okay, AI. Okay, next, menjawab secara individu dan mencatat poin penting. After this, ya, you will have argumen pro, kontra, diungkapkan dalam teks lisan secara runtut. Yang ingin mereka ucapkan menghubungkan informasi yang didengar dengan pengetahuan atau pengalaman mereka sendiri, membentuk tangan dan saling menyampaikan ide masing-masing. Berbicara, menyimak, dan menanggapi pendapat temannya. Membagikan hasil diskusi mereka ke kelas. Ini tujuan pembelajaran, ya. Oke, after this, after you know about tujuan pembelajaran, we go to diagnostic test, ya. Oke, you can scan it. Oke, your leader will give you the link in WhatsApp group class, and then you can do it, the test, ya. Okay, I'll give you 5 minutes to do the test, the diagnosis test, ya. Okay, do you have difficulty to access the link? for diagnostic test, nak? No? Okay, you can continue it. Okay, if the option in box, yeah, not in circle, it's mean how many answer? One or more than one answer? If the option in box more than one, okay. If the option is circle, it's mean only one you can choose, yeah. Okay, that's good. You have done the diagnostic test well, yeah. Okay, we will discuss about it next meeting. Okay. Okay, I'll give you this one. Okay, you can work with your chairmate, yeah. I will play the audio. Distribute to the back, nak. Okay. Your name on the paper.
Like Chalk to support their homework. They argue that some people believe students should be allowed to use AI tools like Chalk to support their homework. They argue that these tools can help students understand difficult topics and improve their writing. AI tools can also be useful for language learning and giving feedback instantly. On the other hand, many...
Wait. This one. Okay, listen carefully.
Artificial intelligence, AI, is becoming more advanced every year. Some people believe AI should replace humans in certain jobs to improve efficiency and reduce errors. For example, machines can work non-stop, process large amounts of data. In dangerous jobs like mining or bomb disposal, AI can protect human lives. However, others argue that AI should not fully replace humans. Machines lack emotions, empathy, and moral judgment, qualities that are important in jobs like teaching, counseling, or caregiving. Replacing humans may also lead to mass unemployment and increase inequality. People worry about losing not only jobs but also the human touch in daily interactions. In conclusion, while AI can support and assist humans in many ways, completely replacing people may cause more harm than good. The best solution is to use AI to complement human work, not replace it entirely.
Okay, I will replay again. Listen carefully.
Artificial intelligence, AI, is becoming more advanced every year. Some people believe AI should replace humans in certain jobs to improve efficiency and reduce errors. For example, machines can work non-stop, make fast decisions, and process large amounts of data. In dangerous jobs like mining or bomb disposal, AI can protect human lives. However, others argue that AI should not fully replace humans. Machines lack emotions, empathy, and moral judgment, qualities that are important in jobs like teaching, counseling, or caregiving. Replacing humans may also lead to mass unemployment and increase inequality. People worry about losing not only jobs but also the human touch in daily interactions. In conclusion, while AI can support and assist humans in many ways, completely replacing people may cause more harm than good. The best solution is to use AI to complement human work, not replace it entirely.
Okay, the last time, yeah. So listen carefully.
Artificial intelligence, AI, is becoming more advanced every year. Some people believe AI should replace humans in certain jobs to improve efficiency and reduce errors. For example, machines can work non-stop, make fast decisions, and process large amounts of data. In dangerous jobs like mining or bomb disposal, AI can protect human lives. However, others argue that AI should not fully replace humans. Machines lack emotions, empathy, and moral judgment, qualities that are important in jobs like teaching, counseling, or caregiving. Replacing humans may also lead to mass unemployment and increase inequality. People worry about losing not only jobs but also the human touch in daily interactions. In conclusion, while AI can support and assist humans in many ways, completely replacing people may cause more harm than good. The best solution is to use AI to complement human work, not replace it entirely.
Okay. Discuss with your friends, yeah, with your chairmate. After this, you can answer the questions. Okay. You can answer number one. Yeah, okay. Please come in front of the class. Come on. And then give tick for correct answer and cross for the incorrect answer. Come on. Ayo. Okay, or I will point you from you, nak. Yeah. This one. Okay. Okay, why do you choose correct? Because
in the audio, AI is becoming more advanced every year.
okay. Can you translate it in Indonesia? AI
AI datang,
menjadi lebih apa?
AI berkembang setiap tahun.
Ya, AI selalu berkembang setiap tahunnya, ya, berkembang dan berkembang. So, thank you.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, number 2. Many people believe AI will replace humans. Okay, Hasbi, please. Remember, if incorrect, so what kind of? Nah. Okay, with cross, yeah. Why do you choose this one? Because AI.
Because AI not not replace some word.
Not replace to the some work. Okay, can you mention it maybe? What kind of work is it? Couldn't be replaced by AI.
Like
Am I could be replaced by AI?
no,
No. Why?
Be-
Because
because
the job of teacher not only educate but also
but also
to teach you about
about
moral.
oh yeah,
Yeah, kan, moral. Okay, one of them could be the feeling of. Okay, let's see. Okay, thank you. Okay, we go to you. Could you help me to answer for number 3? Yeah, of course. Okay, why do you choose incorrect for questions number 3? Because
the idea
okay, from the audio.
from the idea,
Mhm.
not the machine can work non-stop, but the machine can work
Okay.
non-stop.
Okay, that's great. Okay. 3 of you have done the great job. Okay, we continue to number 4, yeah. Number 4 maybe. Okay, the girls with the glasses. Nah, yeah. Come on. Yeah, you can give your answer first after discussing with your friends, yeah. Okay, come on.
Correct.
Pardon?
Correct.
Correct. Yeah. Okay, give your answer. Okay, type it. Yeah, yeah. Nah, which one? Cross. Cross or this one? Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, okay. Can you explain it? Bisa dijelaskan? Because based on where do you get the information? From audio. Okay, so based on based on the audio, what do you heard? What do you heard? Apa yang kamu dengar? AI? AI?
Because AI
Okay, try to remember because AI make
because AI make this for life.
okay because AI make efficiency. What is efficiency means? What is efficiency mean? In Indonesia, efficient. Yeah. Yeah, make it become maybe easier and then what else? Costless, ya. Biayanya rendah lah, gitu ya. Salah satu bentuk efisiensi. Okay, thank you. Okay, that's great. Okay, you can sit down. Okay, next we continue. Alif, maybe could you help me to answer the next number? Why do you choose this one? Why machine doesn't have empathy? Because okay, do you think machine have a feeling?
Because
Do you think machine have a feeling? Punya rasa nggak dia?
AI
Because AI.
system
Because the system in machine
now
do not have
feel
feeling. Okay, that's good. Do not have feeling, ya. Okay. Do you know what kind of feeling? Jenis perasaan itu apa aja? Okay, joy. What else? Happy, and then sad. Okay, thank you, Alif. You have done well. So we continue to this one. Okay. Next, maybe the boy. Yeah. Please come here. Okay, incorrect. Why do you choose incorrect, Rangga?
Because this AI not human activity hanya itu bisa gitu. Just human yang bisa melakukan
Do?
activity.
Oh, the human only can do teaching, counseling, and caretaking.
Yeah.
It could then be replaced by AI or machine. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, excellent. Okay, next. Come on. You? Yeah. For the next questions. Okay, people worry of losing jobs.
Because
The coming of
AI make some people worry of losing job because aduh bacanya saya lebih dengar tadi. AI can replace
humans. Yeah, humans job. Okay, that's good. Thank you, Iman. Okay, the last questions. Who want to answer the last questions? Yeah. Okay, why do you choose this one, Ismail?
Because based on the audio, it tells actually AI made for assist and support human activity and not replace human activities.
Okay, thank you. Okay, give applause for your friend who can do it well. Okay, we continue to this one, yeah. Okay. We will learn about the structure of discussion text, yeah. Okay. The structure of discussion text is issue. So, what is the issue? Based on the audio that you have heard, the issue is about AI. Okay, and then we continue to arguments for, or we can say it is as pros. Okay, so can you mention it, the pros here? The pros is
Use make efficiency work.
efficiency work. Okay, that's pros. Okay, arguments against, it's mean cons. Okay, so can you mention it based on the audio that we have heard? What is arguments against? AI doesn't have empathy. Okay, so conclusion or recommendations. What is the conclusion of recommendation based on the audio that you have heard? Okay, I will play again ya.
Artificial intelligence, AI, is becoming more advanced every year. Some people believe AI should replace humans in certain jobs to improve efficiency and reduce errors. For example, machines can work non-stop, make fast decisions, and process large amounts of data. In dangerous jobs like mining or bomb disposal, AI can protect human lives. However, others argue that AI should not fully replace humans. Machines lack emotions, empathy, and moral judgment, qualities that are important in jobs like teaching, counseling, or caregiving. Replacing humans may also lead to mass unemployment and increase inequality. People worry about losing not only jobs but also the human touch in daily interactions. In conclusion, can support and assist the best solution is to use to complement work, not replace. Artificial intelligence, AI. In conclusion, while AI can support and assist humans in many ways, completely replacing people may cause harm. The best solution is to use AI to complement work, not replace it entirely.
Okay, what did you find? Yeah, where did you find conclusion or recommendation based on the audio in the last paragraph, ya kan? So, what is it? That AI cannot replace by human, yeah, and then the AI can be your assistants. Okay, that's good. So please work in pair. Silakan bekerja berkelompok berdua ya. With your chairmate, listen to this audio. We will find the issue, arguments for, argument against, conclusion or recommendations. Okay, listen carefully.
Some people believe students should be allowed to use tools like Chalk to support their homework. They argue that these tools can help students understand and improve. Tools can also be useful for language learning and giving feedback instantly. On the other hand, many teachers and parents are concerned. They say students might become too dependent on AI and lose their ability to think critically. Some also worry that students might copy answers without understanding the topic. Additionally, it's hard to know whether the work truly comes from the student or not. Overall, while AI can be helpful, their use must be guided properly to avoid misuse. Schools may need clear rules on how students use AI in their learning process. The goal is not to ban AI completely, but to teach students how to use it responsibly and ethically.
Okay, so what is the issue? Okay, what is the issue?
Some people to use tools like Chalk to support homework. They argue that these tools can help students understand and improve their writing. AI tools can also be useful for language learning and giving feedback instantly. On the other hand, many teachers and parents are concerned. They say students might become too dependent on AI and lose their ability to think critically. Some also worry that students might copy answers without understanding the topic. Additionally, it's hard to know whether the work truly comes from the student or not. Overall, while AI is useful, the use must be guided properly to avoid misuse. Schools may need clear rules on how students use AI in their learning process. To ban AI completely, but to teach how to use it responsibly, ethically.
Okay, so what is the topic? What is the issue about? AI also, AI ya. Okay, arguments for or pros?
AI can help homework. Some homework.
Okay, AI can help
Some homework.
some homework. Okay, what about argument against? If you usually working with AI, you will You will? Okay, dependent with AI, ya, tergantung. Okay, so the conclusion is a recommendation.
Schools may need clear rules on how students use AI in their learning process. The goal is not to ban AI completely, but to teach how to use it responsibly and ethically.
Okay, so you will have make the rules. Okay, good. You have to make the rules to using AI. Okay, good. Now, I want you discuss with your friends, yeah, related to this one. Issue, arguments for, arguments against, conclusion or a recommendation based on the second audio that we have heard, yeah. After that, maybe as the representative, or maybe you can discuss with your friends, yeah, about this one. For example, your friends will ask you. Example, Febri will ask Zaki, what's the issue of the audio? Zaki will answer, oh, it's about AI. And then Zaki will ask Febri, yeah, what is the argument for? Yeah. And then you will take in turn to ask and answer. Yeah. Okay, I'll give you 5 minutes to prepare it. Yeah. Okay. If you do not have friends, you will with me, yeah, Bene. Yeah. Okay, I will give you the example. Please come here, Bene. Okay. What is the issue, Bene, based on the audio that you have listened?
The accessibility of AI to students for doing homework and other assignment.
Okay, you can ask me. I'm your chairmate. The second question is what argument for?
Why do you think the students use AI?
Because to help them to do the homework, it will make them to answer the questions easily. Okay, according to your opinion, what is the disadvantage, yeah, about using AI?
Using AI too frequently may reduce students' ability to thinking critically. And students may tend to do copying from AI and not understanding the topics and plagiarism.
Okay, you can ask me one question again.
What is the recommended action to reduce the disadvantages of using AI?
Okay, of course, we have to make the rules of using AI. Yeah, for the example, when I teach in my class, I also give the rules. Yeah, when you do like writing, you cannot use AI because there's the differences between your real writing with your writing with the help of AI. Thank you, Bene. Okay, give applause for Bene. That's very, very excellent. Okay, who want to try with your partner? After you have discussion with your friends, come on. You can take a paper to see maybe your point there. Yeah. Okay, maybe the girls first. Yeah. Come on, both of you. Please come here. You can bring your note. It's okay. Hey, come on nak. Ayo. Please stand in front of the class. Come on, I will help you. Yeah. You can bring the note. Ayo, come on. It's okay, I will help you. Come on. Yeah. Yeah, it's okay, nggak apa-apa. Yuk. Right. Be self-confidence ya. I will guide you. Okay. Who will be as the first speaker here? Introduce yourself, Miss. Halifa and Jennifer. Okay, I will be in the middle of you. So, who will be the first speaker? Halifa or Jennifer? Halifa, okay. Remember, the first is about issue. So ask her. What is the issue? Okay. Okay, try. Ask her. What is? What is the issue? Okay. Okay, so what is your answer after Halifa say what is the issue about the audio that you have heard?
The audio speak an AI in this apa sih kalau waktu ya?
In this time
will be more efficiency to help human or maybe pelajar apa namanya?
Belajar, study.
No, pelajar.
Pelajar, student.
Student.
Okay, so next, Jennifer will ask you, Khalifah.
What is AI? Kepanjangannya apa?
Okay, what is AI? Arti?
Artificial intelligence.
Okay, good. Okay, please ask one questions again related to audio. What is human? Okay, what is human?
Manusia.
In English, explain it, not in Indonesia.
Human is biological itu namanya makhluk.
What is makhluk?
Human.
Iya, human. What is human? Human is a person
of
who live
in earth.
in earth. Okay, and then they have eyes, nose,
a body.
Okay, of course they have a body, yeah.
Yes.
And then what is the ability of human? Do you know ability? It's kemampuan.
Can talking, can see, and listen to sound.
Okay, that's great. Okay, give applause. Okay, now the boys. Yeah, before we go to reflection and feedback, please boys. Febri and Zaki. Okay, wait a minute. Okay. Okay, Zaki and Febri, the time is yours, please. Okay, the other, please listen, yeah. Please pay attention, okay, come on.
So I'm the first speaker. So the first question is, what is the issue based on the second audio?
The issue is usage of AI by students. Plus, what is the process in audio?
So the pros, one of them is to help students understand a hard topic. The third question is, what's the cons of, based on the second audio?
The cons, first, student might be too dependent on AI, and second, AI might cause student to copy answer or plagiarism. What is the recommended action based on the second audio?
The recommended action is to make a regulated for AI and not banning it completely.
Okay, that's great. So awesome. Okay. Okay, we will go to the last, yeah, about reflection, yeah. Okay, who can make the reflection? For example, today we learn about discussion text. The discussion consists of blah blah blah, comma blah blah blah, comma blah blah blah, and blah blah blah. Okay, come on. Who want to try? Who want to give the reflection? Yeah, maybe Febri.
So the reflection is, today we learn about discussion text that consists of, the first structure is issue, two arguments for or pros, third is arguments against or cons, and the last is conclusion or recommendation. And we also listen to audio, the second one, about the AI, and we can infer from the audio that the pros is to help students understand hard topic, improve students' writing, and less help students learn new language and giving feedbacks. And the cons is students might be too dependent on AI, and students will likely to copy the answer AI giving, decrease students' critical thinking. And the recommended action is, like I said before, to make a regulation for AI and not banning it completely.
Okay, excellent. Okay. I think you have understand well about discussion text. Okay. Next week, next meeting, yeah, we will have discussion but not in listening, but in reading, yeah. Okay. And then I also will drop material related to discussion in Google Classroom, yeah. That's also, there is some videos there. So please study at your home. Okay, see you next week. Goodbye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.